In the past few years, the presence of technology has become ubiquitous in interpersonal interactions. Things that used to be reserved for face-to-face context are now experienced through the use of online or mobile technologies, even if those interactions may involve difficult conversations or even the start of new relationships. As instructors of interpersonal communication, we must keep up with the changing patterns of human interaction and to subsequently connect with students by discussing the ways that they communicate. When I wrote Interconnections, I wanted to make sure to reach my students by including the most up-to-date technologies and the most relevant cultural and research references. I truly believe that an instructor can best serve their students by addressing the media they consume, the technology they use, and the life situations that they are confronted with in an increasingly diverse world. By including specific and relatable units derived from students' life experiences, things like online bullying, the use of dating apps, the nature of mobile channels, and the role of social media, Interconnections addresses the daily lives of the students in our interpersonal communication courses. By drawing upon research and theory that addresses those encounters, Interconnections enables positive experiences for instructors who equip their students with course content that has an impact on their own campus communities as well as the broader social world.